Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain issues on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Simply go in settings, scroll down, tap on display, tap on adaptive brightness. Now go back, tap on battery, simple enable the power saving. Now tap on background usage limits. Enable this option, basically it will put your unused application to sleep. Now tap on three dots, tap on adaptive battery and enable this. It will extend your battery life based on your phone usage. Go back. Now go back again, scroll down, go in about phone, again scroll down, tap on software information, simply scroll down, tap 7 times on build number. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, again go back, tap on developer option, search here, background, process limit, tap on background process limit and set it to at most 2 processes. I hope your battery draining issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then follow this method. Go in accessibility, go in vision enhancement, scroll down, simply enable the reduce animation. Basically, it will reduce the animation and fix your battery draining issue. If your battery is still draining, then contact the Samsung customer support. I hope this video helps you. Like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.